Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to enable and disable night mode for your soundbar JBL. So to enable night mode you should press on the remote controller at the button what called night mode, and right here we will have the information that it's on. Yeah, and as you can see I have right now night on, so I just enable it, and to disable it click again. Maybe a few times because this remote controller sometimes didn't work. I hope it's just my problem, not yours. Yeah, and as you can see right now I have the information that it's on. And that it's off. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.